Katie, can you use your fork? Katie, that chicken, chew it up. Chew, chew. Good job. Chew, chew, chew. Oop, careful. Chew it. You gotta chew. Use those teeth. Do you want to try to use your fork again? Give me your fork. Some meat on it. Pasta. Good job, Katie. Good job, Katie. That's a fork. Let me help you some more? Okay. Want to do it again? Here's your fork. There you go. Good job.